my angels. I'm Angel, culinary school grad, retired line cook, and retired prep cook. Welcome to my channel and to another video. So let's get started on this next recipe. Let's go. If some of you are looking for a quick and easy recipe to make for Valentine's Day, just to stay home and cozy up, use this chicken recipe. Consider it and serve it on a bed of rice or noodles. This recipe is not mine, but it belongs to Giada de Laurentis of the Food Network. Yeah. No. You see how few ingredients and few steps it takes to make the chicken piccata? You should have no problem making it for Valentine's Day. So tell me, how do you like this recipe? You know, if you like it, be sure to give me a like, a thumbs up, share, please leave a comment down below. I'll come back for the next one. I'll see you then. Bye. Thanks for watching. As always, please be the blessing to someone. And many blessings and much favor until we meet again. And I'll see you next time.